Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can make your audience that only you can only you mention that those people also see your status. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. So go to your Mastodon social app and click your pencil button top right bottom corner. So click on this and write something. Okay, I'm just write something. Okay, and then click here the last one, the global button. You can see this one, last one. So click on this, and then you can see here public, followers only, and only people I mentioned. So when you click only people I mentioned, then you have to choose someone, like someone username. Okay, so I don't know someone. So and then when you click publish, only these people or those people see your post. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.